Welcome to the 1Prim vendor demo. First of all, we downloaded the program from Slacy's, New York. It's on slacy's.biz, so www.slacy's.biz. I'm going to start it. It will ask me if I want to run it. I'll say yes. And it will start up like this. So this is the main editor. First thing we have to do is add some images. So we'll add some textures here by using the add button. It will bring us to a folder which we have already some textures in. So let's choose just 4 now, but we can choose as many as you like. Say open, and you can see the 4 textures that I chose are now in my display. Now there are 4 pages to this display, so the other 3 are still empty. So for instance, if I want to put this texture on the very last page, I need to go to page of that one and set it to 4, and it disappears to page number 4. Now if I don't want it on this size, but I want it over here and bigger, I can choose it, set its upper left corner and its lower right corner to any size I like, and once I'm happy I can go to the next page. So for instance, I put this one on page 3. Put that one on page 3, go to page 3, and then actually scale it up a bit so it covers 2 cells. Now, of course, you can add as many textures as you like to fill up the entire blank areas. Eventually you'll end up with a vendor that has all frames which you want to use filled up. Once you've done that, you can go into price and add a price for each item. The one that's chosen is highlighted so you can see which one you're doing. You can type in your price here, type in the name of the outfit, so cinch outfit, and if you scroll further on you'll also have a description, so that would be a purple outfit, whatever you like as text, just type it there. And finally the inventory name, so that would be the inventory that would be passed to the buyer, so that would maybe be cinch 1 here. Once you've done that for all of the items, you can use the export button to export it into one texture. If you don't like that logo, you want to replace it by your own, you can have any of the pictures go on that position. It will be scaled down, of course, so you need to have it in a same ratio of 122 to 116 to 22 to get it displayed correctly. So now I'm just going to put it back to the upper left corner like that. Okay, so I'm going to export this as a texture, and we're going to do it in the same folder that we have the textures in. So I'm going to name this the 1Prim texture export. Just give it any name you like. We save it. And what we also do is we export the item lists, which we'll do at the same location, and we'll call it item list test also. And we'll save that too. Okay, we're pretty much done now. We need to bring that stuff to Second Life. To show you what we created, I'll minimize this one. And in the folder which we did the export to, we have these 2 new items. One of them is a texture with the 4 pages combined into one, which we will upload as a single texture into Second Life, just using 10 lindens. And this will be a text file. If I double click that, you can see that there are items here which we can copy from here and then paste into Second Life into the item list inside the vendor. The only thing you need to do when you import the texture is get the UUID and copy that in the same vendor list that's inside the vendor. That's it.